Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Phoebe and my channel is Phoebe Makes Cloud Simple. And in this video, we are going to build an agent that is used the structure connected agents. We will use the account table and the contact table, and if possible, even the sales and lead of Dynamics 365 sales. We will use the samples of what we have for Contoso, and we will build an agent with that. Yes. So we will have the structure. What we are trying to do, we want to build a structure of connected agents. Yes. So what we want to do, we can use it. We can do it using just an agent and some skills, but we want to use the structure connected agent. So what we will do, we will create our solution that will contain all of our agents. We'll call it account solution. That's a weird name, but let's put our name Phoebe NBC. Let's create a solution, and then we will add the account and the contact table. Include our objects. One view, one form, 12 columns selected. Or let's include everything. So we have all of them. We need to make those tables feel searchable. So we go to quick find view. I already did that. I just want to show you how I did it. By the way, I've used the MCS lab for Microsoft. It has helped me a lot. It's one of these lab. I'm not sure which one I use, but it should be one of these lab. You can play with that. And if you want, ask me. I will put the link in the description, but it has helped me a lot. You can use that as well. So let's come back. This is it. What you need to do, you need to add all the parameters that you need to have on the search. We need to add them. We want to make the use of Dataverse MCP or just a simple knowledge of Dataverse. Like here we have the annual revenue. Let's add the account rating. I don't know if it has value. No, it doesn't have value. We want to put something that is relevant and that has value. What is category? Let's see. No categories there. Business type, does it has value? It doesn't have value. Credit limit, credit hold, description, let's see. Industry, open deals, number of employees, payment terms, parent accounts. I'm just putting everything out there, guys. And whatever is not available, I will website. So it has credit limit, Created holds, let's remove, not useful for us. We have description, industry, no value, let's remove. Number of employees, we have payment term, parent account, we remove it. So let's just add here also find by, let's put open deal. Let's put credit limit. Let's put number of employees. Let's put website. No, we don't need to put website, and let's save it. Let's do same for contact. View, and then we go to quick find view. Quick find, yes. Annual income, manager maybe for the contact. The contact are the people that work for the account, so that means for the customer, they are employees. You don't have any information for those. So we already had it. Like, you just put all the fields that you need basically for the research, and make sure that on here you have the search enabled. You go to admin center, you go to the right environment, you click on features. So here, to make the Dataverse search open, you turn on these two buttons. That's how it will be valid and it will work. So once we have them, I have created an agent that helps me to build agents. So I will give what I'm trying to do. Let's type it. I would like to build 3 agents. 1 parent agent and 2 connected agents using account table and contact table and their sales table to do some Dataverse search demo for Copilot Studio. Can you give me the architecture for that? Let's wait what it tells us. Oh, it's checking first the memory if we have any relevant preferences. So now it's checking those tables. So it's checking the account table, the contact table, and the opportunity table for the sales. So we are going to use the samples data. So it has all the schema. So it's calling it the Sales Data Explorer. It says build one parent agent that receives natural language questions and delegates to two connected agents, one owning account and contact and one owning opportunity. Each agent carries its own direct database query tool scoped to its domain. This link demonstrates Copilot Studio multi-agent orchestrations and database search in single end-to-end demo. So that's what we are going to do, guys. So this is the structure that it shows. So let's create first the child agents. Let's do it. So first of all, I'm going to close these windows because they are taking so much space. So I'm going to say new agent in this solution because I want it to stay inside the solution. Yes. So it's doing the architecture for me. What is this? I'm not sure why this is not saved. Need to close that. So this is the architecture that we will build. It's giving me the instruction for the parents. You access data assistance for demo purposes. You have access to two connected agents. Yeah. So we are going to build the first agent first. Let's click to agent, new agent, account and contact agent. And it's explaining why is it a connected agent, because it's a distinct domain independently reusable. So these are the instructions that we put. You answer questions about account and contacts from the database. Use your tools to search and retrieve record. Never guess fields value. Return structures, results, name, key fields, and one-line summary. Active records only. Yes. So I will add database account. Hopefully I can add it twice. Good. We can add it twice. So we'll make lookup account search account table. In environment, we are in a dev. Normally I should create an environment variable. I'm not sure if it's possible here, but yeah. Choose a table. We're going to choose a table. We take account. Second one, lookup contact. Value. Okay, so I have those two tools. That's what I needed. So direct database queries with only. I don't need to give all those details. I just need to put list tables. That's all I need, and then it will it will make the right query. Get account details, search contact. I don't need that. So I will publish. I should remove search or site or website and enable the memory as well. And while it does that, I will create another agent. Oh, I have to make sure that, oh no, I need to change the solution. It's so interesting how I created it from this window, but still it defaults to the common data services solution. I'm not sure why it does that. I need to wait until it ends. In the meantime, I will create a second solution. The opportunity agent. And we put the opportunity table as well. Remove this, memory on, tool, dataverse, list, rows, add, input, value, table name, opportunity. Save. And then we make sure that the solution is the account solution. Yes. Thank you. I double check again before I publish. Let me do the same here. Oh, I cannot change this anymore. This is so sad. I cannot change this anymore. Okay, so we are done with this. Now let's create the main agent. So the first thing is to check the solution. If not, this will give us a headache. So the main agent is called Sales Data Explorer according to our agent solution architect. Let's put the instructions. You access Data Assistant for demo purposes. You have access to 2 connected agents. Let me add it. It's not letting me add any connected agent for now. Oh wow, it still created it in the common data service. Wow. I need to be more careful with that. Oh no. So I should add this one. I should give a description. We add the other one as well, the opportunity you answer from Dataverse. and we connect them. Yes. Handle a question about opportunity in pipeline. Route the user's question to the appropriate connected agent. If a question spans both domain, example, show me the open opportunity for Contoso, call the account and contact agent first to resolve the account, then pass the account name to the opportunity agent, and always present results in a clean, readable format with a brief summary. Do not answer from memory, always retrieve live data. Very interesting. Yes. So we have everything. We have everything. Now we have some example of queries. Find account in the financial industry. Let's test it. So when I placed that query, I said find accounts in the financial industry. It said it looks like the agent needs your permission to access your database data. Please click allow on the permission card to move on and proceed. So when it calls that agent, it said permission required. I'm not sure why it doesn't ask me the permission here. Let me try to see. Find all the account in US. Here at the account in the US. It's giving the account in the US. 6 accounts across 5 states. So I given the permission. Hopefully it influences the connected agent. And here I'm asking what are the 3 most recent opportunities. It's giving me this. And then let's come back. I would say try again. Hopefully it gives me permission to use that here. Or I don't know if there's another way to call it. Not sure what it's doing. I haven't seen any responses apart from the dots. It says the agent is making progress. It's found that the initial filter returned no result and is now checking the metadata to identify the correct industry field. If needs one or more permission to continue, it needs one or more permission to continue. Please click allow. So now it's sending again. The task continue finding all accounts in financial industry. The user has granted permission. Okay, it says no account were found in the financial industry. Here's why. The industry code is unpopulated on all account record in this environment. No industry has been assigned to any account. Okay, have better question. Please have better question. Okay, I will ask the agent itself. Like I would say, give me some multi-turn conversational questions for this agent using Dataverse MCP. I will put Dataverse MCP, it will read everything. No, don't need that. Okay, let's follow that. Show me open opportunities for Fabricam. It says this triggers both agent account lookup first, then opportunities. So it's make sure that it says I will call account and contact agent first to resolve the account, then pass it to the other one. It says got it. Now let me pull the open opportunities for both Fabric and Record. So we are using both agents. It's always asking for permission. Is sending a task that continue fetching open opportunities for Fabric Farm. The user has granted permission. So that's the parent agent that is giving tasks to the child agent. So those are the opportunities. Total these two, both owned by Phoebe Nobisi. Overdue has a close date. That's the current node. Would you like to do either opportunity update, the close date, or on the overdue till or something else? Let's see, what was the next question? Find all opportunities. What more than 50,000? Okay, let's try that. So we are asking follow-up questions. What are all the opportunities that Fabricam has that are worth more than 50,000? I already have the values here even so. Let's just see. Find all open opportunities with an estimated value greater than 50,000. Include opportunity name, account name, estimated value, sales stage, forecast category, estimated close date, and the owner. We have two of them. This one 50 cafe et automatic. And both these are overdue. Single account risk. See guys, it's working properly. The cross domain this tool is working properly. So yeah, what are all the accounts in no, in Tennessee? So the parent agent is sending the task, find all account located in Tennessee, include account name, primary contact if available. What is the primary contact job title of the first one? So guys, it's working. We have a multi-turn conversations querying that we are doing with multi-agents. We use connected agent here that are different domains. So we have that. I've asked, what is job title? What about the birth date and age of the primary contact of the second one? So here it uses memory and also equals the right. The user is asking about the birthday or the primary contact of the second account. So it uses the memory and then it calls the second agent. And just like that, guys, we have created a multi-agent with the new orchestration. So we have all the details. Thank you. See you on the next video. Ciao.